Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can adjust the volume level with your Amazon Echo Buds. First of all, with Amazon Alexa application, open Devices, then go for Echo and Alexa and select your buds. Right now we have to scroll down and go for the tap controls customization. We have to focus on the triple tap and we can pick left or the right. Let's set for the left volume up and for the right volume down. So right now when you triple tap on each bud, like this one, you will be able to increase or decrease the volume level while you are using any media or watching YouTube or something like that. So that's how we can do this. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.